In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enter the BIOS on your Gigabyte motherboard. Now, when you're starting or restarting your computer, your motherboard logo will appear just like this for a moment. And during that time, you need to press the delete key from your keyboard to enter the BIOS. Now, just to be safe so that you don't miss the motherboard logo, what you can do is you can keep pressing the delete key when your computer is restarting. And this is the delete key on a desktop keyboard, and this is the delete key on a laptop keyboard. Now I'm going to demonstrate the process by doing it. So I'm just gonna go to start and then power and then restart. And when the computer is restarting, I'm gonna keep pressing the delete key to enter the BIOS. As you can see here, I'm pressing the delete key right now, and whenever the motherboard logo appears, I will enter the BIOS. As you can see here, I am inside the BIOS of my Gigabyte motherboard, and from here you can go to System, BIOS, or wherever you want. And that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one.